this is Yogesh Ramani from Wudbell Interior Design Company, powered by L&T Group. Today we are here in Ebco Experience Center to show you a wide range of hardware accessories and kitchen accessories. Here in Ebco, we have three categories of hardware, which is intelligent hardware for homes, Livsmart. Second is ergonomic hardware for office, which is Livsmart. Third one is intelligent furniture hardware and accessories from Ebco. Let me explain you beautiful kitchen organized with Ebco kitchen accessories. Here we have vegetable basket, which is in height of 4 inches and middle one is in 6 inches and third one is in 8 inches. So basically we use these baskets for putting vegetables. Here we have slim tandem box, which is of anthracite finish with drawer inserts for keeping spoons, knives separately. Here we have soft close tandem linear box, which is of off-white color and inside anti-skid mat. Here we have tandem box, which is of anthracite finish with modular cutlery for putting spoons, small kind of items like knives. Here we have knife stand and chopping board for cutting the vegetables. Here in middle basket we have bottle rack, small spice racks and jar rack for keeping small grocery. In third basket we have given space for plates and small jars. Here we have in first basket stainless steel insert, which is again used for putting small spoons, knives. Here we have partition to divide the knife, spoon, etc. Here in middle basket we have bottle rack and small container rack, which is of 500 ml, and this one is the 1000 ml, which is available in Ebco. In third basket we have plate stand, knife holder and 500 ml container holder. Here we have brushed aluminium finish tandem box. Here in second basket we have PMDS promotion drawer slides having finish of brushed aluminium with glass. In third basket we have again tandem box with brushed aluminium finish with aluminium panel. This is 4-inch tandem box with Pro Motion drawer slide. Here we have in corner Flux Magic Corner, which will having more accessible space. Due to this mechanism, corner has been used more effectively. Here we have kitchen cutlery with Pro Motion drawer slide silver grey finish. Here we have Pro Motion drawer slide with silver color panel, and here we have vegetable chopping board for cutting the vegetables, and here we have partition. So partition is basically we can adjust the internal layout of the partition, and this is the aluminum packing roll holder, and this is for cutting the aluminum packing roll. Here we have blind corner hinge. Inside we have double pull-out corner. While opening also it is having soft closing movement, and while closing also it is having soft closing movement. This fitting makes corner effectively. So this is blind corner. Here we have used blind corner hinge. Inside we can see how is the blind hinges. Now bottle pull out for keeping the bottles, and here we can adjust the height of the pull out according to bottle height. So it is adjustable according to bottle height. We can adjust the pull out. In two drawers we have adjusted 3 baskets. Like here in first drawer is of linear series with white finish. This is 4-inch tandem box, again with modular cutlery for keeping small spoons, knives, kitchen cutlery, etc. Here we have Pro Motion drawer slide with 3 different finishes. First one is white color, second one is anthracite finish, and third one is special finish. Pro Motion drawer slide can bear weight up to 65 kg capacity, which is more than enough for kitchen. We have kitchen midway system. We can use this kitchen midway system between the wall cabinet and kitchen base cabinet. According to client's requirement, we can organize this, and this is also removable, so we can make space as we want. Here we have lifted door with wind-in mechanism. We have two types in wind-in mechanism. One is strong and second one is very strong. So we can adjust according to door and height. Inside we can see here. Here we have GTPT rack, which is starting from 24 inch up to 36 inch. We can have that type of sizes here, and we can adjust this width of the GTPT up to 15 to 20 mm. Here we have flap door mechanism, which is from Sally's. Here in wall cabinet we have sensor light, which is removable and also rechargeable. Here we have flap door mechanism, which is from Sally's. Here we have folding door mechanism.